But as far as the updates go, unfortunately, it looks like the judge in this particular case is being biased, and there's a hilarious amount of Orwellian doublespeak if you take a look at the update video that Ms. Hoover did. At one point in the case, they say that the auto keycard was a firearm, yet on the other hand, they turn around and say that it's not. It's this weird Orwellian doublespeak that's just absolutely absurd to me, and the mere fact that this man is still sitting behind bars and has not been freed is a travesty.